Hello everyone, Ramil here, one of the project managers in Eleos Compliance. Today I will walk you through all the type approval requirements in one of our most requested countries, and in fact my own home country, the Philippines. NTC or National Telecommunications Commission is the authority responsible for overseeing and certifying telecommunications equipment in the country. NTC regulates all equipments with RF, wireless or telecom capabilities. But for all non-RF products, it is being regulated by BPS or Bureau of Philippine Standards. They administer Philippine Standard or the PS Mark and import commodity clearance or the ICC schemes. There are three primary certification schemes issued by NTC. These are RCE, CPE, and GEC. First on our list is RCE or Radio Communications Equipment. The certification under this category applies to devices that operate wirelessly but don't connect directly to the public telecommunications networks. Usual products being applied for approval under RCE are Bluetooth headsets, wireless keyboards and mouse, keyless transmitters, Wi-Fi routers, and RFID devices. Next on our list is CPE or Customer Premise Equipment. This category covers devices installed at homes or businesses that connect to telecom networks. Usual products being applied for approval under CPE are wired or wireless routers, fax machines, and products with cellular features. Our last category will be GEC or Grant of Equipment Conformity. The certification under this category is for devices that have combined features of CPE and RCE. Usual products being applied for approval under GEC are smartphones, tablets with use of mobile data and Wi-Fi, and wireless POS terminals. More information about technology specification can be found in Memorandum Circular Number 03-05-2007. Now, with regards to labeling requirements, it is only mandatory for products certified under GEC and CPE. Products certified under RCE typically do not require labeling. More information can be found in NTC Memorandum Circular Number 02-01-2001. Label should include NTC logo, certificate number, model number, and the manufacturer name. Now let's talk about modular approval versus host approvals. It is important to know that modules can be approved, but its approval cannot cover its host product. On application process, the certificate of approved module can be used along with the EMC and safety test reports of host when applying for the host product approval. In addition, if the module is embedded in the host product but will not be sold or imported separately, module does not need an approval. It will only be required approval if it will be sold and enter the country separately from its host product. For certificate validity, permanent or indefinite unless modified. If there have been some changes on the RF or electrical characteristics or even on the hardware, product reapproval is necessary. Basic documents needed for approval are EU and EMC test reports. FCC are also acceptable. EU safety or CB test reports, external photos, and declaration letter. With regards to the NTC process, first step is the submission, which can only be handled in person. Next is the initial review. NTC officer will check the documents to see if complete and correct. Once review is okay, next step will be is to complete the payment. Full review of application includes the sending of verification email of NTC officers to the laboratories that issue the test reports. This is done to check the authenticity of test reports submitted. Once the confirmation from the laboratory have been received by the NTC, they will now make the draft certificate. Certificate will be issued afterwards after a few days or weeks. That's all for today, but if you have any questions or would like to receive a quotation for your EPAC approval needs, please reach out to me at ramil@elias.com or visit our website.